just for legal reasons, I'm not actually holding this while I'm driving, but my car, 2008 Ford Focus, keeps going into limp mode and showing everything, but I'm going into a garage tomorrow to hopefully get it fixed. And the fellow in the garage said sometimes it's a faulty connection behind the clocks. So he said, easy to find out, if you press the clocks in the top right hand corner, sometimes the car will start going a little bit mad, and easily just press in the top left hand corner and it will reset itself. So hopefully, if it's right, that when your clocks and your gauges start going left to right and dropping like you're doing no mile an hour, then it's just a faulty connection behind your clocks, and it will cost a